Welcome to Textual Healing. Let's get nerdy. Hey guys, let's learn how to make a cute little animated video for kids. Let's get started with our good old friend ChatGPT. Okay, so we're going to ask for a prompt of a Pixar animation style subject specifically for Hailou AI because each AI reads prompts slightly different. Let's think of something cute and fun for the video. And thinking of something adorable and cute that kids love and can keep their attention. Let's go with a puppy. Everyone loves puppies, right? We'll keep it simple and say a puppy going to sleep. Something nice and simple to see where that gets us as a baseline, we can adjust in the next step. Okay, this looks pretty good. I can dig it. Although I want the puppy to be a Doberman pinscher, I've always wanted a Doberman. I probably should have thought of that before entering the prompt. Oh well, easy fix. Let's just ask ChatGPT to fix it for us. Okay, that looks just about perfect. Now, let's do a little trick I found out to help ensure we get the same adorable little puppy in every prompt. While most prompts, AI loves its variations. Okay, let's cut and copy this prompt in .mimicpc.com. This is a pretty cool site and has a few free features that are top-notch. I may make a video on using it eventually. I think it's a great tool to use. But for our purposes, we're going to the A Tools tab on the left. You'll see it brings up Flux with 5 free uses every day. Let's go ahead and click on that and then paste our ChatGPT prompt into it and see what images it gives us. Each time is only one picture, but they are normally very high quality and we get 5 free tries per day. Per email address. It's been really helpful for me for side projects. And there is our image. That is an adorable little pup. Let's go ahead and do another one and see what we get. While we have a few seconds, don't forget to like and subscribe to Textual Healing. And stay up to date with the latest trends in tech. With how-tos and news. Okay, just a few seconds left while it generates. I will say using the ChatGPT prompt does kind of handicap our image because of the movement it mentions, but in my opinion is outweighed by the detail it mentions and adds to the pictures. Okay, so I generated a few more pictures with Mimic PC and didn't think you guys wanted to watch a blank screen while they generated. Anyways, next step. What we're going to do next is go back to our ChatGPT window and ask it to write us a lullaby for this puppy going to sleep. We are going to specifically mention Suno, and once it gives us lyrics we like for our song, we will copy and paste them into Suno AI to generate the song. And as you can see, ChatGPT gives us an entire song worth of lyrics. They are well written for a lullaby, not exactly full of deep metaphors and symbolism, but still pretty dang good. I'm actually going to use these lyrics, but you can ask ChatGPT to rearrange or modify the lyrics as you would like, maybe even include a name to make it personalized. Just a quick highlight and copy, and now we are going to go to Suno and create a song. It helps if you actually copy the lyrics instead of just talking about it. Suno is pretty much the standard for song generation. I know I have used it a bunch. And you can use your own lyrics or they will actually generate lyrics for you too. I haven't tried that feature yet, but I'm sure it works well. Just a quick paste of the lyrics, and we also need to describe the song we want to generate. For our lullaby, let's go with something sweet, soft, gentle sounding. Not all of us can fall asleep to A Day to Remember and Slipknot. Try to use as many descriptive words as you can hear. It will really dial in the vibe you are looking for whatever specific type of song you are looking for. And once we are done with that and double check everything and make sure it's how we want it, it's time to create. And Suno gives you 2 song options per generation. So you have a little choice there. Okay, it's still generating, but we can preview the songs, which is great for someone impatient like me. So let's check them out and see which one we like.
Little puppy
Okay, not bad. And while we wait for the songs to finish generating so we can download them, let's get started on making the video part of our video. We're going to go back to Mimic PC and pick which image we want to use. I'm actually going to pick the first one. They are all pretty similar, but the first one shows the face a little more, which will be helpful when we load it into Hailou AI to generate our animations. And just a quick reminder, we can't use animal faces for the subject to video mode. In order to use an animal face, we need to use image to video. So let's go to image to video and upload our picture we generated and get started. Ignore the purple-haired dork and the beautiful honey dog. There is our picture, now we need a prompt. The trucks are from some prompt testing I did earlier to see how realistic I could get a video of one of the best looking vehicles ever made. So back to ChatGPT we go. As you can tell, this process is highly dependent on ChatGPT. And we are going to ask for prompts to accompany the song it just generated for us. Hailou specific prompts. And knowing that Hailou video generations are 6 seconds long apiece, we will need to specify that the prompts are only for 6 seconds of video. Otherwise, ChatGPT would write prompts for full-length feature films. Overachiever. Once the prompts show up, you'll notice that they are even broken down by timestamps in 6-second increments. Just a quick overview to make sure nothing looks major or out of place, and then we start the easy although time-consuming part. Just a simple highlight and copy, and then head over to Hailou and paste. Now I am going to take full advantage of my unlimited plan and generate 5 videos at a time to give me options for the best ones. Now we go through and see which looks the best. There will be some funny ones sometimes. I guess it's the AI having a brain fart. Yeah, these are okay. If you notice when we do this in the image to video mode, they all start with a still shot of the image. That will come into play later. None of these are perfect, but most of them are pretty good. We could use just about most of them for our sweet lullaby. Let's pop over and check on our song generation. One thing I totally forgot to mention was to check and see how long your song is on Suno. You don't want to have 2 minutes of video for 6 minutes of music. Now, I will admit I did forget this step, but it gives us a chance to go back and adjust to make up for it. So we'll just pop on over to ChatGPT and adjust our prompt to use with Hailou so we have enough scenes for our lullaby. In my experience, Suno generally does 3 to 4 minute songs with this method we're using, so it won't be anything outrageous. So, well, just ask for ChatGPT to adjust the prompts for the correct time, and then we start the easy but time-consuming part. As you can see, it takes a little longer to generate way more prompts, so I'll get back when they are ready. Okay, that only took a couple of minutes, but I had already stopped recording. So let's get this going and create some magic. One thing I've noticed with Hailou is that it kind of goes in cycles of art style. I can't explain why or how it does it, but after thousands of generations, I have noticed it will look really cartoony and then Pixar-style and then realistic styled. That's something to keep in mind when using it. If you notice, every video starts with the pup in the bed just like our original image. Now that Hailou has referenced that image a few times, it will know what we are going for and still reference it even as we switch to text to video. Now we just copy from ChatGPT and paste to Hailou for each of the 35 scenes, and we'll have our video content. Okay, so we have done the long part of our lullaby. Now we need to go through each scene and see what fits for our video. Keep in mind that the videos will not be a perfect match, and you should use a little artistic vision when putting all of the puzzle pieces together. As I scroll through, I'm sure you'll notice the different art styles of some of the videos. I only used prompts from the ChatGPT storyboard and still ended up with some out-of-place looking videos. That is what I was talking about earlier about it going through cycles. Now that we've gone through and downloaded each scene we want for the lullaby, it's time to open up CapCut and put it all together. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below if you would like for me to do a video on CapCut and some tips and tricks to video editing, and the AI features it has. First things first, obviously we have to import all of the videos and the song we just created. And then we get to lullaby construction. The way I prefer to start out with it is putting the song down first. That way, it's easier to add the videos to the timeline of the lullaby. And if you downloaded the video scene by scene in chronological order, then putting it together is a breeze. Just be sure to check and make sure it is the scene you want, and then just click and drag until it's finished. It's pretty simple, but I must implore you to double check it is the scene you want. I've had a few mishaps trying to rush through it. You can always go back and double check the order by looking at the ChatGPT storyboard. Alright, I think we are done. Let's check it out.
Little puppy, close your eyes. Drift into the starry skies. Dreams will take you far away, where the moon and fireflies play. Hush, now rest so tight. Snuggle in, it's sleepy night. Softest whispers lullaby. Sleepy puppy, close your eyes. Floppy ears and tiny paws, curled up tight with little yawns. Dream of fields so wide and bright, running free in morning light. Hush, now rest so tight. Snuggle in, it's sleepy night. Softest whispers lullaby. Sleepy puppy, close your eyes. Stars will twinkle just for you. Moonbeams paint the sky so blue. Safe and sound, you're warm and bright. Dream sweet dreams till morning light. Hush, now rest so tight. Snuggle in, it's sleepy night. Softest whispers lullaby. Sleepy puppy, close your eyes. Stars will twinkle just for you. Moonbeams paint the sky so blue. Safe and sound, you're warm and bright. Dream sweet dreams till morning light.
Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe.